Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizkia Fatimatu Zahra Yasis with ID number 12350300025. Okay, in this occasion, I will explain the independent translation assignment taught by my beloved lecturer, namely is Mr. Dr. Andang Saihu MPD, and my beloved teacher is Fauruz Husnatul Abukoria MA. Firstly is, what is translation? Translation is the process of reworking text from one language into another to maintain the original message and communication. According to Eugenida, the process of translating text is the step or stage carried out by a translator from reading the text, understanding the context of the text, looking for equivalence of the search text to the target text, and at the final stage, a translation will usually recheck the translation draft starting from the completeness of the sentence, the reasonableness of the sentence structure, and the use of appropriate signs so that the readers of the target language text can understand the context of the text clearly. Translation quality by Eugenida explains translation quality through one main approaches: identity of meaning and identity of style. He emphasized conveying the importance of the same message from the search language to the target language, both meaning and style. Okay, let's move into the topic. In translation, there is a method we can use translation a text. There are 8 methods. There are literal translation, word-for-word translation, faithful, adaptation, semantic, communicative, and idiomatic. So, as you can see at the screen, there is a story about Snow White. We are gonna discuss about how I translate from English to Indonesian language. A long time ago, there lived a beautiful princess who had smooth and white skin. Dahulu kala, hiduplah seorang putri cantik yang berkulit putih dan halus bernama Putri Salju. The translation method is word-for-word translation. The reason why I choose word-for-word, this sentence can be translated directly without many change because the meaning is clear and doesn't just. So, the new queen was very pretty. Ratu baru itu sangat cantik. The translation method is faithful translation. The reason why I put the dialogue into the faithful translation is in translating this sentence, it is important to maintain the original meaning and emotional nuance. Although some adjustment might be needed to fit the syntax and culture of the target language. So, she would often ask her magic mirror. Ia sering bertanya kepada cermin ajaibnya. And this dialogue, I will put it into semantic translation. The reason is the sentence is contain storytelling elements and the context that needed to be considered. In this translation, ensuring that the meaning and the nuance are preserved without losing the original narrative. Hello mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most beautiful on this kingdom? And this dialogue is idiomatic translation because the sentence is a well-known phrase from the fairy tale and has a idiomatic quality. While the literal meaning can be translated directly, an idiomatic approach would focus on the retaining the cultural nuance and the poetic rhythm of the original prose, which appeals to the emotional and dramatic aspects of the text. So, and the magic mirror would say, you are majesty. And the translation method is communicative translation. The reason is this phrase involves a direct address and conveys respect and formality. The translation method is communicative translation. The reason why? Because this process involves a direct address and conveys respect and formality, appropriate for the context of speaking royalty. For the context, a communicative translation approach will focus on ensuring that meaning and tone are conveyed effective in the target language, keeping the same formality and respectfulness. Okay, the conclusion of today's discussion is that the conclusion of the translation carried out is that each translation method has a different approach depending on the nature and context of the sentence being translated. Okay, I think enough for me. Sorry for my many mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.